fogging up. What's going on, guys? Alan here. Welcome back to the Foggy channel. It's fogging up. That's what I get for taking my air-conditioned GoPro out in the hot garage. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So let's fix that. But anyway, welcome back to the channel. I got a real quick one here for you. Something that's, I don't know who's gonna watch this. Oh yeah, baby, got air in the garage. Anyway, it's insulated, why not? So yeah, real quick video. I don't know if anybody ever wants to know how to do this, but I mean, it's as simple as yeah, saying your ABCs, I guess. But anyway, for anybody who didn't know, so the other day I'm going pretty fast through the gears, and all of a sudden the little emblem sticker came off in my hand, and it was getting kind of, I could tell it wasn't looking very cool anymore. So I knew I had to order another one. But if anybody's watching this with BMW, ECS Tuning is definitely the place to go. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I did get this from ECS Tuning, and they had the exact one for my Z3 non-M Roadster. So let's get this bad boy on here. First off, probably should take the old stuff out so we have a nice clean surface to start with. So I'm gonna figure out how to get this out of here. So honestly, I'm just really peeling it with my fingernail. I mean, I don't know what else can really get in here, but whatever, you can figure it out. Not a big deal. And just like that, it comes all out, no biggie. Then you got a little stir bit in there, holding your piece in there, because BMW shift knobs are weird. They're not screw on like I wouldn't call it normal, because I guess that's what I'm used to, but I'm used to screw on shift knobs. This is just a push on, and it's got a little slot in the middle. You probably can't see that because lighting is horrible because we're moving and I took all my lights down. So yeah, in there's a slot. You can't, yeah, no matter what I do, it doesn't matter. Woo! You can see it right there. Oh, you can see it. Anyway, yep. So it's clean. So, well, hope this is it. I'm assuming this is it. Let's find out. Oh, there we go. There we go. There it is. Check this bad boy out. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is the stock one, and yes, it says M. That's the stock Z3 says M, and it also says it on the stock steering wheel. So there's a couple places that have the M emblem. So don't think I'm faking an M Roadster, because I'm definitely not. So, and then this bad boy is gonna go just like that. Oh yeah. Peel the backing off, and then obviously you want to make sure you got the shifter in the right. I know sometimes you just don't think and you put it in the wrong spot, but you want to be certain that it is in the right spot. You know what I mean? Just like that. Oh man, look at that. Ooh. Now that is looking sick. Brand new. I mean, I guess the old one, I don't know if I got a picture of it or not. I probably don't, but it was just looking really shady. Oh, it looks so much better now, and it feels so much better. Thank you, air conditioner. So we'll just like that. Oh yeah, boys. All two of you that are watching this. But yeah, sweet, sick. Oh, another package. Wonder what that is. You're not gonna know for a while because it is for this. But there's like, I don't know, 4 packages coming for that same project. So I'm not gonna start on that for a while because I either need to get a friend to weld or I need to buy a welder, which I want to buy a welder, but I don't want to buy a cheap, like a flux core welder, because I know I'm gonna outgrow it and it'll be a waste of 200 bucks anyway. So I kind of want to just buy a nice MIG, or a decent MIG, right away. So, but I can't right now because we're buying a house. Yeah, that hasn't been revealed yet, but we're buying a house, waiting for an inspection to go through and everything like that before I actually like say anything about it. But yeah, so as far as that goes with financing and a house and mortgage and all that, you don't really want to do anything steep. You want to keep all your cash in hand and all that stuff. So I don't know if I'm gonna do the project. I might do the project and then just have a friend weld it for now, but I don't know. We're rambling and you don't even know what I'm talking about. Maybe you can guess. But anyway, hopefully I have a house update for you guys soon. We've been in this house 12 years now, and this house is awesome, but we have just outgrown it. We want some land, single stall garage for me, for what I'm doing now. It's just not working. I really liked having the truck in the garage and just hop in it and go, and you don't have to worry about it warming up or anything like that. But now I got the Z3, and I don't want to pay storage fees, so that theoretically would sit in here, so I'd be out on the road again, or in the driveway, and then my wife would be in the driveway and nobody would benefit the garage. Yeah, and everything else that comes with acreage too, we would want to be at. But anyway, yeah, so hopefully there's good news. All of you who have listened to me ramble still, and I'm still rambling, thank you for making it 8 minutes or whatever it is so far. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Get psyched for more well-rounded content, I guess, because, you know, the channel, I mean, I got the F-150 people, golf cart people, hopefully soon BMW people, and then I don't know if you guys want to hear about the house or anything like that. So if it goes through, it's going to be a pretty sick garage. That's all I got to say. Or is it? Or is it a garage? Anyway, hopefully everything goes through and you guys are psyched, and I will catch you in the next one. Later. Here's a little fun clip for you. We've got a pretty good sized bump right down the road from the campground, and we always try and go as fast as we can over it. The kids love it, so that's what we're gonna do this time. Here we go. You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
No, we got a biker. Here we go.
Oh no. Ready?
Here it comes.
This is the worst one we've done.
That was pretty good.
World.
This thing is sweet.
Watch out, Belle.
Grand Rapids Police. Brembo brakes and everything. Thing is awesome.